Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the all-new Sidi Vertigo 2 sport boots. The Sidi Vertigo 2 boot replaces a boot that was in the Sidi catalog for years, the Vertigo. Why was it there so long? Because it was simply a great sport riding boot, and it's hard to replace a product that's that well received and successful. As of the time we're filming this video, the retail on this boot is $295. Please understand those prices can change. They can go up, they can go down, and we're not going to reshoot the video if in fact the prices change, because the features and benefits of the boot will remain the same. Who is this boot right for? You can see right out of the gate, this is a sport riding boot. When I look at this, this is the type of boot I would recommend for a street rider that's going to do maybe a few track days a year, most of the riding on the street, but they want a high-end product that offers excellent feel and excellent protection. If you're going to be knee-deep into road racing or at the racetrack every single weekend and really pushing the speeds, I'd like to direct you more towards a full-on race boot that offers a little higher level of ankle stability. And that's really what separates this, in my opinion, from, say, their Rex boot or their Mag 1 boot as you go through their catalog. Where they differ is the ankle support. You can see on the outside of the boot, the Vertigo 2, lots of ankle support built in there. And on the inside, certainly less. You don't have the whole bracing system, and you can kind of see the way it has a little more flex. With a street riding boot, you typically want it to be a little bit less rigid, and that's simply why they do that. Obviously, the cost is different too, this being at $295, and I think the Rex is somewhere around $550. Fit of the boots. Sidi's fit is just so repeatable. The quality, the last they use to build the boots, just so repeatable. They do a great job with that. That being said, if you've owned a pair of Sidi boots before, you can usually just order the same exact size. The fit will be spot on, just like it was with the other pair. Width is the area where we like to focus on when we talk about sizing. If your feet have average to narrow width, you can basically order the size that corresponds with the shoe size that you wear on the size chart. You should be good to go. If your feet lean more towards the wide side of the spectrum, for example, myself, I wear a 12 US shoe. I would normally wear, say, more like a 46 in most boots. I have to go up to a 47 in the Sidi. I got a pair of Mag 1s. I've got a pair of Rex Airs as well. I need a little extra width, and in order to get that, I had to go up one size. And that's what we recommend for somebody that has wider feet, if you know you have them. Features, benefits with this boot. Tecno Micro upper. That is a leather-like product. They use it, and they've been using it for years because it's simply better. It wears longer, it's stronger, it's more abrasion resistant, and odds are, if nobody told you, you wouldn't even know that that is not, in fact, just leather. Replaceable nylon toe slider. Integrated vent on the outside of the boot that is switchable on and off. When you open the vent and you're riding the bike, air is driven in through the vent down here in conjunction with that 3D mesh inner liner. Just kind of creates a little microclimate in there, helps keep your foot comfortable and cool as it can be when you're in a full-on sport boot. Ankle protection is found here. You can see the bracing on the outside. This is a replaceable piece. Anything you see with a screw is replaceable. Energy absorbing shock cup for the heel. Reflective panel here at the back. When you're riding, feet are up on the pegs, the lights hit it, it's going to pop nicely, make you visible. Adjustment in the calf area. The Vertigo 2 offers a pretty wide range of calf adjustment. You can see I just opened up the adjuster all the way, and just look how big that opening becomes. To dial it in, you just lift up the arm, like so, and rotate it until you get the fit right where you want it. Entry and exit can be made pretty easy on this boot by opening that first, opening the Velcro, then the zip, and you can see that that is just really a wide opening, easy to get your foot in and out. You can have a close-up look now at that 3D mesh fabric inside the boot. The quality of the Sidi products is very impressive. They are building their boots in their own factory in Italy with their own staff. Instead of buying factory time with just a factory that makes apparel products, Sidi is having their own people build it. And when you compare their boots to their competitors that sell at similar price points, the fine details of the Sidi products, they really shine. And that's what happens when you have your staff building your products day in and day out. That is one of the big benefits when you choose to go with Sidi over some of the other brands. It doesn't mean the other brands don't offer good products too, but if you really appreciate those finer details in something, Sidi shines there for sure. Anything, once again, with a screw that you see is a replaceable part, and that's nice. If you happen to have a little crash in the boot, we sell a lot of Sidi replacement parts. We always have over the years. It gives you the opportunity to kind of restore the boot if you've had an accident or even just normal wear. Give you a good look here at the sole. This will be a staple in their catalog, just like the Vertigo was for many years. Fits true to the old Vertigo, just improved, better, much tighter package. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com.